Hello everyone, this is Mr. Lidikin here. In today's video, we're going to talk about Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan is going to be the app that we're going to use in order to submit our assignments electronically. So the first thing you need to do is download the app. So go to your app store. If it's an iOS device, the app store, or if it's an Android, go to your Google Play Store. So go to the app store and you're searching for Adobe Scan. There it is right there on the top. And there's the icon. It's called Adobe Scan. This is completely 100% free. There's nothing you have to pay for. So just download the app. Once you have that downloaded, I already have it downloaded here on the bottom. As you can see right there in the bottom right, it says Adobe Scan. You're going to click on it. You are then going to have to sign in. So if you have a Google account or Facebook account or an Apple account, you can use any of those. If not, you can just create your own Adobe account. It's completely free. Once again, there's no cost in it. Down here on the bottom, it says sign up, and you click on that. And then it will have you submit some information, type in your email address. Once you do that, it will have you type in your name and a passcode, a password, and stuff like that. But I already have a Google account, so we're going to go back and go to sign in with Google, and you're going to sign into your Google account. Once again, it's completely free. You can create your own account, or you can use Google, Facebook, your iPhone, or I'm guessing if it's an Android, it will have that as well. So here we are in the app. So what we're going to want to do is make sure down here on the bottom you have different options. Make sure that you are on document here in the middle. That's what we're going to want. And what the good thing is that this is going to automatically take the picture. So you won't actually have to do anything as long as you line it up. So I'm going to go over the worksheet that I want to submit, and I'm not going to click any button. As long as I hold this steady, it will take it itself. So as you can see, I can crop it, I can edit it, I can change it, I can do anything I want in case the photo didn't look that great. You can retake it here on the bottom. Let's say I want to retake it. You just click retake. It will search for it. It will search for it. So you don't actually have to do anything. Just keep it steady. It will autofocus. You don't need to click any button. And there's your picture. Now the good thing with this is if you have multiple pages or multiple sides of a worksheet, you don't need to actually take a bunch of different pictures and send each one separately. What Adobe Scan will do is it will take all the pages, all the pictures, and make it into one document. So this is the front side of my worksheet. Now if I want to go to the back side, I just flip it over, and it will now take a second picture of my back side of my worksheet. Once again, you don't need to click any button. Just took it for you. You can crop it once again, click continue. Now let's say I have a third page of my worksheet. So instead of having 3 separate files that I need to turn into the teacher, it's going to have 3 separate pictures. And then we're going to make it into one document. So now once you're done, you click down here on the bottom right, and it has your pictures that you just took. So if we click on that, here are 3 pages that we took. So here's the first page. That was the back. And that was the back one. As you can see, it cropped out everything else. You don't see my carpet. You don't see anything else in the background. You just see the piece of paper. It's just like if you scan something in a traditional scanner. And as you can tell, these are 3 different files or 3 pictures, but it's going to keep it in one document or as one file. So you're not going to have to upload 3 different things to your teacher, just one thing. You can change the name. If you go up here in the pencil, you can change it to whatever you want. So let's say this is exponent worksheet, and then you can change it to whatever name you want. Click OK. So you can see up top it changed the name. Now down here, let's say you take pictures and you want to reorder it. You could reorder the pictures. If let's say picture number 3 needs to go before picture number 2, you can add a page. Let's say you forget to take pictures of everything. You want to add another one. Down here on the bottom you see add page. You can crop, you can clean up, you can even delete a page if you want. But once you're good and you have all your pictures that you need, you go up here to save PDF up on the top right. And it will then save it. And once again, it's going to save it as one. So here are all the different PDFs. If I just scroll through all the different PDFs that I've taken and all the pictures that I have. Find the one that you want, which is the top one up here. It's called Exponent Worksheet. It's the one up top. And there's a couple different things you can do. But what we want to do is we now want to upload this to Schoology. So if a teacher makes a Schoology assignment for you, you can upload this assignment right to Schoology from the Adobe Scan app. You do not need a secondary app. Now the key with this, for that to work, is you have to have Schoology app installed on your device, on the same device, and you need to be signed into your account. Okay, so we're going to upload this document to our Schoology account and submit it into the assignment that the teacher has already made. But once again, in order to do that, we must have the Schoology app installed and we must be signed into our account. So once I have that, I want this assignment I just made. Click up on share. Right here it says share. You have a couple options. You can share the link, you can email, or share a copy. So if you want to email it to somebody, you can do that. But what we're going to do is share a copy down on the bottom. And this is kind of going to be like any other document you have. What you can do with it, you can print it, you can save it to your Dropbox, you can text it to somebody. Here in the middle though, if you just scroll over, you go to more, and then you're going to have all your different apps you can use it with. If you come down, it says copy to Schoology. Right here in the middle, it says copy to Schoology. You click on that, and it will then open up your Schoology page. So you have a couple options here. What you're going to want to do is submit to assignment. So you click submit to assignment, and here's where it's going to be all your classes. So all of your classes will be listed here. Now for this particular account, I made just a regular student who I made up, and he's only in one class, and that's in this pre-algebra class. So you click on the class, and those are all your homework assignments. So right now in this class, there are 3 homework assignments. So let's say this is a homework assignment to number 1. So we click homework number 1, and it says, do you want to upload it? If you click upload, it will then upload it, and your submission has been added. So we just took the photo, or took the document with the different pictures of the different pages, and then we updated it and uploaded it into the teacher's Schoology without ever having to leave the app. So that is using Adobe Scan.